Hey, so in this video I will introduce you to the Declaration of Compliance, DoC, for food contact materials in the EU. And a declaration of compliance, it should not be confused with the declaration of conformity for CE marking products, but it's a document that you as an importer manufacturer should issue or must issue. It's not a recommendation; it's mandatory. If you import or sell certain plastic um, food contact materials. Okay, so kitchen products and cutlery, and yeah, you get the point. Um, what you need, some of the information is really basic. Import and manufacturer, you probably know your own company name, product name, list of materials and components. Can be a bit more tricky if you're a private label seller. Okay, then you may need to create your own breakdown or get in touch with your factory. You need to provide a statement declaring that your product is compliant with certain regulations. And keep in mind, when it comes to FCM, there are more than one regulation that may apply depending on the materials. That's what it comes down to, really. You need to provide information about the substances, information that you can only obtain through third-party lab testing. You need to specify the types of food or beverage that the material is made to be in contact with, time and temperature, and also information about the testing methods. And that one is really tricky. You need to obtain that from your testing company. But as long as you work with a legit company like Chima or SGS, Intertech and so on, and you tell them, okay, I'm filling out the DoC. Can you confirm these test methods? They should know how to help you out. I've been in that situation myself. Now, which products require a DoC? It can be pretty straightforward. Plastic lunch boxes, plastic food packaging, but there's also been situations we've been dealing with, for say, stainless steel water bottles, where it's not that obvious because it's stainless steel. But if it contains internal plastic parts, then you need a DoC for that. Okay, or if it's a composite material, say bamboo and melamine, it's not just bamboo, so it's not always that clear cut. May also apply depending on the paints, coatings, and so on. Okay. So just want to show you that it's not always that straightforward. So, do I need a lab test report before I can issue a DoC? And as I showed you, yeah, the DoC is based on the lab test report. It really goes into detail about it. Information that, yeah, you need to obtain that from the testing company. But yeah, you can't issue one based on, yeah, I guess this is, yeah, I guess it doesn't contain any mercury or lead or whatever. You can't issue a DoC based on a gut feeling. So yeah, you need a test report. Okay. Can you get a DoC from the manufacturer? Yeah, maybe if it's based in the EU, but you will. Let's say that you shouldn't expect to get a declaration of compliance from the average Alibaba factory, even if they have a very strong compliance track record. Okay, this is something that, unless it's a major brand, you shouldn't expect it. Okay, so it's up to you to get this document sorted. All right, that's it for this video. So if you want to take the next step, you can also try our free product compliance information tool that helps you understand labeling requirements, documentation requirements such as DoC, and lab testing requirements for a range of products in the United States and the EU. And it's free.